Hello students. So in this video we are going to talk about the notification released by National Law University Odisha regarding the vacant seats. As you know that those seats which are not filled despite the fifth allotment round that was conducted by Clat consortium shall be filled by individual university, and in this regard NLUO has released the notification. Now, if you search for NLU Vacant Seat 2024, from the very first page of Abhyaas, you can access the notification and the admission link or the application link for NLU Odisha. So, if you come to this, right, here in this matrix, you will find both the notification here and the application link here. I have opened the notification here for your reference, right? Let's have a look into the notification and understand the terms of the notification here, right? Now the notification talks about three things. One, it talks about the process of application. Second, it talks about the last date to fill it, and third, it talks about the number of vacant seats that are available and the categories under which they are available. So if you talk about the deadline, the last date to fill the application is 20 June 2024, that is 20th of June 2024 by 11:50 p.m. right, and the payment fee in this regard is 1000 rupees that you have to make or you have to pay using this particular link that has been given. We'll shortly look into that, but before that let's have a look into the number of vacant seats that are available. So if you look here, so under undergraduation we have two programs that are offered by NLU Odisha, that is BLLB and BBLLB. Under BLLB, All India General, there are no seats as such, right? Similarly, if you look for BBLLB, there are under All India General category 20 seats, right? So you can use this particular table, the matrix shown here, to understand how many vacant seats are available. For example, those having Odisha domicile and having no reservation, that means a general category student having Odisha domicile, he has 0 seats in BLLB but 2 seats in BBLLB. But if you look at the note given below that particular matrix, you see that the number of vacant seats may vary in future. So if suppose any seat becomes vacant in future, this particular application form will be considered to fill the future vacant seats as well, right? So there is no as such restriction that only if there is a vacant seat available in the matrix you can avail such particular things. Suppose if any in future, if any vacant seat arises, in that scenario also only those students who have filled this application form, they will be able to avail that particular future vacancy, right? So let's get back to the two of the aspects which are required to be done in order to avail or express your interest. One is filling the application and second is making the payment. You have to make the payment before you proceed to the application form, because if you have a look here into the application form, it says that you have to mention the UTR ID, the amount paid, right, the transaction date, and you have to attach the payment receipt. That means first use this particular link online sbi.sbi, which is available in the notification itself. You will be taken to this page where you can search for the institute, that is National Law University, right? So if I search for National University, I get National University Odisha. I can go to this particular category. Under payment category, I would select miscellaneous collection. Right there, under roll number, you have to fill your Clat admit card number, your name, your category, the course that you are selecting, right? And you can mention year here. Then purpose of deposit as given in the application, you have to mention purpose of deposit as application fee for admission against vacancy, right? Under roll number you have to mention your admit card number. The same thing has been given in the application also. Once you enter all these things and make the required payment, at the end here, as you can see, you can print the receipt, as in you can save the PDF also through the same process. Once you save the PDF of that particular payment receipt, you have to attach it in the application form, right? As I've shown you, if you come to this particular piece, here you have to enter the receipt PDF version of that payment receipt, right? Apart from that, you have to mention your name, your date of birth, gender, your father's name, mother's name, your address, the state under which you are applying. That means if you are from if you have Odisha domicile, you have to mention Odisha. Otherwise, you can mention any other state to which you have domicile. Then country, pin code, your contact number, your father and mother's contact number, your email ID for any other future communication, and here your Clat scorecard, right? Score, your Clat score, the marks that you have fetched, and your Clat All India rank. Here you have to mention the category under which you are availing. Suppose I am availing under All India General category as of now, right? So I will mention here All India General category rank. Suppose I have Odisha domicile and I have a scheduled caste reservation. In that case, I will mention scheduled caste Odisha category, your category rank. That is the scheduled caste rank that will be given in the same the same scorecard that is provided by the Clat consortium. So you have to mention your all India rank as well as your category rank, right? Please refer to your scorecard in order to know what is your category rank. Then you have to upload your Clat scorecard PDF copy, and then you have to also give the preference, right? So if you are availing for UG, you have to give preference as to UG BLLB or BBLLB. Say I choose BA over BBLLB. In that case, I will put BLLB as 1 and BBLLB in my preference number 2, right? After which you have to provide detail about your class 10 plus 2 examination, that is the qualifying examination for Clat. That means either you have passed or you're appearing. In case you are appearing, you can just mention the board, the school and all those things. In case you have passed, in that case you also have to mention your total marks that you have obtained and the total marks that are possible to be achieved in that particular thing. Apart from that, there is list of enclosure that is required to be attached here. This has to be attached in a single PDF. If you don't have class 12 mark sheet, you can skip it, as above you are reflecting here that you are still appearing, right? In that case, you can upload undertaking saying that I don't have my class 12 mark sheet as of now, but you will make available the same piece of document to the university in future, right? Apart from that, these two documents, your class 10 mark sheet, your Clat 2024 admit card, along with that a recent color passport size photo, you have to merge all these documents into a single PDF and attach it here, right? After that, you read the declaration and press on yes button following the submit button. Once you submit it, your response will be successfully stored and your name and rank will be considered while drawing the merit list, which will be purely drawn based on the all India rank, right? This is the piece of information that is provided in the notification. If you find any difficulty in filling the application, you can definitely reach out to us using the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.